AliExpress? Explain yourself. Like, who is that? What is that forehead though? That forehead. Oh my, what the? I have no words. Hi there, I'm Shamala, and today I'm going to be making my own Miraculous Ladybug dolls, mainly Ladybug and Cat Noir, because AliExpress has failed me. So here I am. I'm going to make them out of felt. I traced a template that I've had for quite some time. You can watch me make other Coraline dolls. It's going to be Coraline inspired because Coraline scares me, and when I was little, Miraculous Ladybug used to scare me, so they just go perfectly together. But here I am. I have cut 6 pieces, and I'm going to sew them together. I think I'm sewing them good side to good side, which I gotta remember that, good side to good side. Here I'm deciding if I should do it good side to good side or bad side to bad side, because I haven't made one of these Coraline dolls in like about 8 months, so I completely forgot how to do it. So I'm just deciding, and I thought that doing good side to good side was a good idea, like that it was gonna come out how I've done it before, but it did not. Like, you can literally see the marker. That's not how it's supposed to look. So I did it bad, and I have to redo it. So I'm taking it apart with my X-Acto knife, which it takes out like nicely. It doesn't really ruin the felt. Obviously, I have to watch the New York special. I like the New York special. There's some parts I don't like, but but I really do like it. It's great. What do you like? Do you like the Shanghai or the New York special? Let me know down below. Also, if you have time or just want to watch more videos, this scene, apart from this scene, I painted it onto one of my school supplies, so you should go check out that video because it turned out great. I love it. You should check it out. Just check it out. Flipping like my things inside out is always so hard, but like everything else was not hard. Like for this project, the head was especially the hardest. It was so hard. But now that I have it done, I'm going to fill it with this fiber filling. I might have As I have mentioned before, I have not made one of these Coraline dolls in over 8 months. Like over eight months. So I'm going to make Ladybug first, because whenever I do Ladybug, she always like turns out good in my opinion. And whenever I do Cat Noir, like I feel so bad for him because I do him really bad and he does not look really bad. So I'm going to start off with Ladybug as a practice, because if I make mistakes and I do her bad, like it's like whatever. So she'll be my practice run, so I know what not to do when I make my Cat Noir doll.
What do we want?
So I'm trying to see if this looks proportional, because I want to have something somewhat proportional. You can check out my last 2 dolls. I've been kind of working with what I like, what I don't like. So I don't know if this looks good on camera. It looks really nice. Yeah, I like this proportion. I think I'm gonna go with it. These are Coraline related dolls, so I'm going to be using button eyes. Ladybug has blue eyes, so I have these blue buttons. They do come in, I believe, 3 different sizes. The first one that you saw, a medium one, these tiny ones, and these big ones. I just realized that there's 2 different types of these buttons. Matte ones that are tinier, And there's these glossy ones that are bigger. One of the hardest things about making these dolls was that my elo kept on getting stuck to like the arms or legs.
Why can't I take everything?
I have finished making Ladybug, and I'm going to be moving on to Cat Noir. It's only been like 3 days since I've made the Ladybug doll, and I've already forgotten how to make the head. So I'm just like, good side to good side, bad side to bad side. And then I remember to say in my video that it's good side to good side. So here I am putting good side to good side. Just did a bad thing. So it's supposed to be good side to good side. Oh wait. Is that bad side to bad side? I did bad side to bad side. Yeah, that's a bad idea. I really like how I did Ladybug's proportions. So I have measured her, like, I guess size, and I made it into this template that I will be using for Cat Noir. I really don't know how this happened. I don't know. I thought I stitched it really good. So this is how his mask view looks. It's a little sus because he has this thingy, but like I'm gonna try to make it as close to him in the show. Don't ask why I have these pictures. It's covering his nose. This one's a better one. It covers his nose. Where's his nose? You get the dealio. While Ladybug, you can see her nose, you see her nose, you see her nose. What time is it?
Miraculous time, chamadas. So time for to watch Miraculous.
So I'm on Disney now, and it says Miraculous Gang of Secrets is playing. So what is this?
Jessie.
Well, why is Jessie playing? It says Miraculous.
I want to play that episode.
Good thing I always have
I
Netflix.
want that episode that Nino and Alia get akumatized together and they stick.
You want that episode? Why?
Because I love it. I never see it.
What happens in that episode? Can you tell me?
Okay, so
I don't quite know where I want them yet. Out of all the 3 other dolls that I have made before Cat Noir, his eyes were definitely the hardest to put in.
Oh no, don't tell me his face is stuck like this. I messed up his face. No, it doesn't want to squish back to normal. I might have tied it a little too tight, just a little.
Honey. Oh, thank you. Hey, can I, hey! Hey, can I, I'm just gonna, be gentle with him. He has rabies. What does it say in that movie?
Cochinos. No! Don't pull on her head. She's recovering from surgery.
So, as we can see, this is him. Excuse me, are you falling to your knees? And he kind of has like that, you know, so like that. I was thinking something like this to like show texture. I don't know. I really don't know. So I do like that my idea of doing Cat Noir's hair like that, but it's kind of too chunky. Shooting a puppeteer, because I have no idea what to do with him. Oh, so he's bald from the side. So this is how Marinette does it, just like one big thing, which gives me an idea. So she does his hair like that. You know what? I think that would help, like, but then I cut all these pieces for nothing. Can I borrow a pen or a marker, please? The child's letting me borrow her crayon. Oh my goodness! I don't know.
A ladybug's yo-yo.
I forgot that.